bugs, it's Deborah again from BodyGarbage, and today in this bucket we have some more whipped soap base, and we will be making fruit slices whipped soap. And again, you can use this for your hair, for your face, for your body, for shaving, and it's all up to you. So if you like to see how I make this one, follow along with me and let's get soaping. Okay, bugs, so we're gonna get ready to make up this fruit slices whipped soap. We have our fragrance on deck. We have our whipped soap base in the bucket with some castor oil for extra conditioning and hydration. Just wanted to get the excess water off of there, and we're going to whip this up. And we're going to do this a little bit differently because I have several colors going in here. It's going to be sort of like a rainbow. So we are going to whip this up in the bucket, and we're going to start with the lightest color. We're going to scoop some out and mix that in, put it on the pressing seal, roll it up, put it in the piping bag, and then pipe it into our containers. So without further ado, I'm going to whip this and I'll bring you back. Alright, bugs, so we have all of our colors mixed up. We have some white, we have some pale yellow and blue, and some purple, and a little bit of orange in here. So we're going to just, get our scissors, cut the end piece off, get our piping bag together. I'm going to take this baggie, our makeshift bag. We're going to set it in our piping bag, shake it down, and we're going to get our cups together. And we're going to start piping. I'll start with the middle since it's closest to me. And this looks so pretty. Now we're getting some of the purple coming out. Let's go around the edge here. Come up. This looks almost like unicorny. Unicorny. You know what I mean. But it's really pretty, and the fruit slice scent smells really, really good. And when you're using this press and seal bag, just like you would do with your cupcakes or any type of thing that you're using a piping bag for, make sure, oh, we lost a little bit, make sure that you are pressing down, getting all that good soap out, or whatever it is that you're piping. Do another circle on the top. Just want to make sure I get every last drop out. It's not perfect piping, but it's great soap, and that's what matters. So we're going to chuck that to the side. And then I have this slice mold right here, fruit slices. And if you like one, I got mine. Basically it's an ice tray, but I got mine from off of Wish. You can buy them from off of Amazon. You can get them from the grocery store, the dollar store, really wherever you can find one. They have them everywhere. And it's cool because these little guys right here are silicone, and it just pops the soap right out. And I think this is our last piece of soap. Yep. So this is how they look, all unicorny and whatnot. And yes, I'm still using that. There we go. And then we have our little fruit slices here, and this is fragranced with the scent that we used for this soap. And this is just some melt and pour. So we're just going to tap these down, and you get a slice there. Just want to use different colored ones. Probably put more than one slice in each. Slice here. And do this little multicolored red one. This has several colors in it. Sort of like a muddled iced tea or something. Bang this down. And then a slice here. And I'll do another one of these really, really colorful ones. This one is pretty. And I just use some liquid soap dye. Set that there. Put a blue one in this one. And then we'll take this green one here. Peel the rest of this soap off. This was just some spillage, but it's fine. So we're going to take this green one and we're going to set it in here. So there you have it, folks. Our fruit slices whipped soap. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.